Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Armstead and I'm a third year student in the Pathobiology graduate program at Brown. I'm from the borough of Queens, which is in New York City, and when I was your age, I was a very quiet, shy kid, and sometimes I was afraid to participate in class, and maybe that's how some of you are feeling right now. But I learned as I was growing up that being shy is okay, and I was eventually able to develop as a student and become more comfortable where I came out of my shell and I was able to then participate in class and contribute to meaningful discussions. And so my interest in science was initially piqued when I started watching PBS or public broadcast documentaries focusing on space exploration and our solar system. And at the time, that was so fascinating to me, and it still actually is today. And so I really wanted to become an astronaut when I grew up so that I could hopefully see some of the things that I saw in those documentaries with my own two eyes. And I was very fortunate that I had teachers and guidance along the way to always tell me that whatever I wanted to do and whatever I worked hard at was a possibility, just like your teachers are certainly telling you today. And I really believe that it's true. And like I said, by participating more in the classroom and working hard, I was able to eventually become a grad student here. So while I'm not an astronaut quite yet, I am currently a scientist in immunology. And so that basically means I'm interested in how we as human beings can survive infections from pathogens like viruses, fungi, and bacteria. And a typical day in my life focuses a lot on working with mice. And we use a model of hypovolemic shock, which is a fancy way of saying severe blood loss. And so I'm interested in learning how this creates an environment within our bodies that's a lot more favorable to a robust hyperinflammatory response later on. And so if you haven't found a topic in science that interests you quite yet, that's okay. I'm very hopeful that one of the Brown Junior Researcher modules will do just that.